Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 619, and today's topic of the lecture is the medicinal importance of turmeric. In Indian language it is called haldi, and in India it is widely used as a spice, a part of the spices, and it has long history. For thousands of years, turmeric is used in different preparation of food, stew, korma, so many other preparation, and actually it is adding color to our dishes. But when the phytochemistry was advanced, it was found that turmeric is a really medicinal plant product, and it is actually rhizome, tuber form underground product, and it is in segment. Actually it is modified form of stem, and that rhizome full is yellow in color. And this turmeric is having mainly two type of compounds. The one group of compounds, they are essential oil, means they have very good aromatic smell and little pungent smell. Because of that aromatic, pungent and good smell, it is widely used as a part of spices in Indian subcontinent. And it has a very good value there as a coloring material for food. But many of them, they are not aware of its potential as a medicine. The second part of the compound, which is very powerful anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, is called curcumin. And this curcumin is one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory. And that's why this turmeric is very good anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. So this turmeric is widely used to drastically reduce the inflammation. It is very effective we can say as a plant product naturally rather than synthetic anti-inflammatory. Better to go for natural one like turmeric. And once you have joint pain, those who are suffering from arthritis, it is clear indication of acute inflammation. So if you put turmeric with some paste, that will be very effective. And this turmeric, let me make it very clear, many of us may not be knowing, is not highly soluble. Solubility problem is there. So if with this turmeric, if you add just little amount of the powder of black pepper, kali mirch, and that black pepper contains piperine. That piperine will make curcumin 2000% effective soluble. So this turmeric is very effective in presence of the powder of black pepper, kali mirch. And actually this curcumin is fat soluble. So once we are using in stew or in some preparation where oil is there, so it goes very well. It is nowadays lot of research is going on in the world because they are considering that it is very powerful anti-cancerous plant product, and because of the presence of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, and these two properties are enough not to allow the abnormal growth, tumor growth, and also cancer formation. Because if there is inflammation, it means our body immune system is weak and it is not allowing that, and the antioxidants, they can neutralize most of the evil free radicals which are capable of destroying our lot of normal cell genetic material like DNA and finally they can cause oxidative stress. So those who are having oxidative stress, their immune system is compromised, surveillance system is compromised, and they are prone to get different type of cancer. So this curcumin is very good anti-cancerous, and also it will not allow the brain degeneration, and even it will improve the status of neurochemicals like serotonin and dopamine. So it is also working as anti-depression. So this turmeric is having lot of benefits. Here the medicinal importance of turmeric, that is called haldi, and its botanical name is Curcuma longa, and it belongs to family Zingiberaceae. And here I have given, these are the essential oils. These structures are given, mainly the 4 essential oils are there, and they are actually mixture of terpene. And these terpenes are, that is phenylene structure, that one is there, borneol is there, cineol is there, and carbinol is there. Actually phenylene and borneol, these 2 structures, they are responsible of having aromatic and pungent smell of turmeric. And the second most important is, that is curcumin. This is a we can say polyphenolic, and phenolic groups are there with 2 phenylene, and in center there is pyrrolic. And this skeleton, that is your curcumin, is having different derivatives, and they may differ in methoxy and hydroxy pattern. Maybe curcumin 1, curcumin 2, curcumin 3, curcumin 4, but actually basic skeleton is this. Only the difference is in their hydroxy and methoxy pattern. And this is very powerful anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, natural plant product. And this curcumin makes turmeric the super medicinal, we can say plant and medicinal product naturally. So number 1 is curcumin is natural anti-inflammatory. I have already told you that we have synthetic and natural, and curcumin is natural, very powerful anti-inflammatory, and that's why it can protect us from different diseases like even heart problem, because this will not allow the arteries and veins to become rough, so that wear, because out of inflammation, our arteries and when they are damaged, they become rough, so where there is chance of formation of thrombose or blood clotting. So since it is very powerful anti-inflammatory, so that chances are not there. And second, it is powerful antioxidant. Powerful antioxidant means it will neutralize all the free radicals, and it will not allow oxidative stress. That's why we may not get different type of disease like Alzheimer's, like depression, like anxiety, and some other brain disorder. That is very important because of its antioxidant property. And number 3, it boosts the level of brain hormone. We have brain hormone, and that every our behavior, happiness, even mood, then our motivation, all are controlled by neurochemicals, and they are mainly known as dopamine and serotonin. So this curcumin is responsible of boosting, will not allow the fall. That's why you will not be depressed, once you are taking turmeric. And if we take 1 gram every day, either in tea or in milk or any form, even with water, it is enough to maintain the health. And then number 4 is good for heart. I have already told you that because of very powerful anti-inflammatory, it is good for your healthy heart. Number 5, turmeric prevent cancer, because it will not allow the oxidative stress, and most of these free radicals are neutralized. That's why our DNA and our cells are not damaged. Then it prevents arthritis. It's a very effective for joint pain, joint inflammation. Joint pain, joint inflammation is nothing but arthritis. And this haldi, turmeric, is a very powerful natural anti-inflammatory. Rather than taking oral synthetic one, better to go for in the form of paste, turmeric paste. Put it with the help of some leaf and all this, and it will take care, and your inflammation will be over. Number 7, it works against depression like Prozac. Prozac is widely used as an antidepressant. So if you are using 1 gram turmeric, it will work as Prozac and it will not allow depression. You will be out of depression, just like any synthetic drug. Number 8, in India, used for skin and cosmetic purpose. Actually, Indian marriage preparation goes with turmeric. That is called haldi function. So first, if groom and bride, they are getting ready for marriage, they apply on their skin to beautify and to make them to be activated. Is our tradition, Indian tradition. They will put some turmeric paste on their hand, leg, the whole body, and then there will be function that is called. So it is a very, very important part of our tradition and culture in Indian subcontinent, even in Bangladesh, Pakistan, India, that is called haldi function. And it is also widely used for cosmetic purpose. Number 9, turmeric milk and tea is beneficial. Nowadays in Western countries, I have noticed that turmeric milk is widely prepared and they understand the role of curcumin, and that's why it is becoming very, very popular either in the form of turmeric milk or turmeric tea, just to prevent cancer and inflammation, and also to protect our healthy heart. Actually, nowadays lot of publication is there on its anti-cancerous activity. And then number 10 is it controls aging process. Actually, directly it is controlling our aging process means it is protecting from different type of diseases, depression, Alzheimer's, heart, cancer, inflammation. So that adds to our healthy life. So it is also helping us to be healthy for longer time. So it is also helping us in aging process. So with this I will stop, and thank you very much for watching the lecture.